In this video, we'll cover how to adjust the motor limit switches on the Girard GG750 Awning with Solar Station. On your screen is a list of tools required to perform the following procedure. Extend the awning a few feet, gaining access to the motor assembly housing. The limit adjustment screws are located on the head of the motor assembly. The extend limit screw sets the maximum distance the awning can travel. The retract limit screw will set the point where the motor will stop when the awning has fully retracted. The motors are labeled with a plus or a minus to indicate the adjustment direction. 1/4 turn of the Allen wrench is approximately 1 inch of travel for the awning. When the limit adjustment screws have been set properly, the fabric will be taut and the arms slightly bent, providing a 1/4 of an inch gap at each of the elbows when the awning is fully extended. The awning motor should be set to stop at the exact moment the awning box closes when fully retracted. Warning: the motor should shut off at the exact moment the awning box is fully retracted. Failure to do so can cause irreparable damage to the motor.